How to clear Gmail cache on Android. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to do that, you may follow up this step. So, the number one method you can apply up is you may long press on the app after you locate it up. And from here, go to the info section. And then from here, you may head over to storage. And then go ahead and clear up the cache from the bottom right. If this does not apply up on your device, you may head over to the main settings of your device. And then from here, scroll down, go over to apps. And from apps as well, locate up Gmail. You may use the search bar if you can't find it. And after you open up Gmail, head over to storage, like we did previously, and go ahead and clear the cache from the bottom right corner. And that's it. That is how you basically clear up Gmail cache on your Android device as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.